In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for emails quickly and accurately. If your inbox feels crowded and you need to find a specific message fast, the search bar at the top is the best place to start. This feature is designed to help you narrow things down in just a few seconds. Whether you're looking for a message from a certain person, an email about a particular topic, or something sent on a specific date, to begin, go to the search box at the top of your screen, click into it, and type in whatever detail you remember about the email you want to find. This could be a name, a single word or phrase, the subject of the message, or even a date. The more relevant the detail, the easier it will be to locate the right email. If you're not sure exactly what to type, start with the most memorable word or the sender's name and refine from there. Once you've entered your search term, you can make the search even more precise by using filters. These are especially helpful if your first search brings up too many results. Look for filter options like from, to, subject, and has attachments. The from filter helps you find emails sent by a specific person. The to filter is useful if you want to locate messages sent to a particular recipient. Subject allows you to search based on the email's title, which is great when you remember what the message was about. And if you know the email included a file, using has attachments can save you a lot of time by eliminating unrelated messages. After entering your search term and applying any filters you need, press enter. Your results should appear instantly, showing the messages that match your search criteria. At this point, you can quickly scan the list and open the email you're looking for. For an even faster workflow, remember the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. This takes you directly to the search box, so you can start typing right away without needing to click manually. It's a simple shortcut, but if you search your inbox often, it can make the process much smoother. With just the top search box, a few useful filters, and the enter key, you can find emails much more efficiently and avoid wasting time scrolling through your inbox. Practice using different search terms and filters together, and you'll get faster every time.